Anytime that you are revealing what's authentically true in you without blaming someone else, without holding them responsible for what's happening in you, and without requiring them to change, that is a relational act. Those three things make it not relational. That's where you're switching into domination, system, and control. When what I hear people doing is they reveal what's happening inside of themselves with so much indignation that it shouldn't be happening to them and that other people are bad for doing this to them. Now, that's always a sign that we're still stuck in victim consciousness, child consciousness, domination consciousness. We're still in the other model when we're holding our lives that way. That's when we're feeling triggered and we're out of touch with our own power. And that's fine. We all end up there probably on a daily basis at different times, right? But just keep in mind, that's the old paradigm. The thing we're practicing is this empowered, vulnerable way of being that is actually where your strength and clarity lies and where you are available for relationship. And all the other things you're not really available. We are not really available for relationship yet because we're in our protective systems. We're not in our connection systems. And then for those of us practicing, we're practicing showing up in a way that makes it safer for other people to get out of their protective systems and into their connection systems. That's what we're doing. But we're not requiring anybody to get out of their protective systems. We're not trying to change them. We're trying to create conditions by taking responsibility for what we're bringing. And that's it. We let go of how people are going to react to that. And when we say, I want you to take responsibility or accountability for something, that is a domination. That's code and domination for what I actually want is empathy. And what I actually want is to know that it matters to you that I'm in pain and that you are motivated to change something to help me be in less pain, not because you are responsible for my pain, but because you care about me, because you feel compassion, not because you feel accountable. So that kind of like take responsibility for, that's still a little bit of old consciousness. Look. When I'm hurt, I'll speak for me. When I'm hurt, my protective systems are up. So what I'm going to say is coming through my defenses because I'm trying to protect myself. And my defenses are going to be a little more distancing. My default is not to, you hurt me, and I take off my clothes and say, look how you hurt me. That's not our default. You hurt me? My protective system is like, shield, 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 push you far away. Look at what you just did to me. Who the hell are you? Okay, like that's our default. And there's nothing wrong with that. But I want you to just see that it's the defensive response is going to be about protecting yourself. If you want to connect more, if you want to stay in a connection frame, the moves are really different and they're very counterintuitive to our survival system. And I would also say, be very wise in when you do and don't use them. Sometimes putting up your shields and disconnecting is the wise move. Okay, so discern in your own situations.